This is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. In today's video, we are going to talk about a super useful feature in Zoho Books, the budget. If you have ever struggled with keeping your finances in check or wondered how to stay on top of your business expenses, then this feature is for you. So, let's get started. Before we go to the video, let's talk about the budget feature in Zoho Books. The budget feature allows you to set financial limits for your income and expenses for a specific period, like a month, a quarter, or a year. It helps you track whether your business is staying within the financial goals you have set. It's actually like a financial roadmap that shows you if you are overspending or staying within your planned limits. So, whether you are running a small business or managing your finances for a larger organization, setting up budgets will help you keep everything on track and avoid unexpected financial surprises. Let's check how to set budget in Zoho Books. For that, under accountant module, you can see budget. Please note that in Zoho Books, budget feature will be available from premium plan onwards. To create a new budget, click on new button. You can initiate creating budget by providing name. For example, I am providing sales target as name. Choose the physical year you want to select. Choose the budget period, either monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. Then you can set budget for income ledgers, expenses ledgers, and also for asset liability and equities. To add accounts, click on add account and choose the ledgers you want to select. Here I am choosing these two ledgers. Then under expenses I am choosing click on update button. If you want to add or remove accounts, you can click on add or remove account, and after editing the selected ledgers, click on update. Once you have selected the ledgers for income accounts and expense accounts, if you want to set budget for asset or liability and equity also, you can choose the ledger. After choosing all the accounts, click on create budget. Now you can set the limit for each month. Here I have provided the data. Once you have provided income and expense accounts limits, then you can provide the asset liability and equity accounts on the next tab. You can set limit for the ledgers you have selected. Providing the budget, click on save to save the budget. Alright, your budget is set. Now, how do you track it? Zoho Books give you a budget versus actual report where you can see your budgeted amount side by side with the actual amount you have earned or spent. This helps you quickly see if you are under or over your budget in real time. For that, click on view budget versus actual, and the report directs to budget versus actual report, where you can see a comparison with your budgeted and actual amount. And this over budget amount reflects like actual minus budget. You can see by how much percentage this is over budgeted or under budgeted. What if you need to make changes to your budget later on? No problem. You can easily edit or delete a budget in Zoho Books. For that, under Accountant module, go to Budgets. You can see the created budgets list over here. Click on the arrow button, and if you want to edit the created budget, click on the edit option. And if you actually want to delete the created budget for any purpose, click on the delete option button. Before we wrap up, let's discuss few best practices to make the most out of the budgeting feature in Zoho Books. I have listed the major points. The first one among that is be realistic with your budget. Don't set high goals. Make sure your budget is based on actual data or past performance. The next one you have to focus is to track regularly. Don't just set the budget and go. Make sure to track your progress monthly or quarterly or half yearly as you set the budgets. The next one is adjust as needed. If you are consistently overspending or underspending, adjust your budget to make it more accurate. Next point is use categories wisely. Break down your budget into categories for more detailed tracking. And that's a wrap up for today's video on setting up and managing budget in Zoho Books. Hopefully, this feature will help you keep your business finances under control and make better decisions moving forward. If you have any questions or need any help with Zoho Books, please do contact and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.